Nice. Ah, it smells so good. I love a good book smell. Oh, this is such a good gift.
The P3 and the P5 cases. So this is actually kind of following in that form factor. It looks very similar, except for the back is just the distro. But I was expecting to see more reviewers get this. I snatched it like not the minute it came out, but
hey, Teddy with the gifted, bro. Let's go. Gifted to Luke. Let's go, man. Yo, clip that, Teddy. Clip it. Clip it. Clip that. Dude, I've never got bounced that high before. That was so...
Perfect jump. And he just goes limp! Look at him! Am I crazy? How is this a bad jump?
It's 5:12 and we're overanalyzing your Fall Guys.
Look at him to go limp! What did I do? What? My guy won't stand up. Oh my god, I just fell through like 5 floors. He would not stand.
You're tied with the guy that's the Black Note guy that I predicted was gonna win. He fell. You're in the lead.
No!
Did you win?
Oh, he got scammed. Still don't have actual names. Cool. Or no, please don't. That's weird. What do we got?
Te assistindo, mano.
Você ganha o Silvio Santos.
Dá pra você ganhar um Corsa socado no chão numa Honda Bis 2004.
Já é
rapaziada,
eu ia falar que eu ia sortear o Corsa.
Aí depois vamos aproveitar que o cabeludo... Gente, vamos aproveitar que o cabeludo não tá aqui. Vamos jogar The Resistance.
Por quê? Ele não gosta?
Que se foda.
Mas é porque ele não gosta de The Resistance?
Muito tryhard, velho.
Ah, entendi, Luizão. E vamos, tamo junto, Sub. Tamo junto. Valeuzinho, Mariana. Milena, eu aceito ser sua casada. Vamos que vamos. Grito no cu e dedaria. Nice.
Ódio.
Cara, na rede é peixe.
E se não for... Não, aí é de boa. Campeonato de ódio é de boa.
Oh, louco.
E aí se a pessoa... Porque... Dependendo... Sei lá, mano. Tem uma galera que eu acho da hora pra caramba, cara.
Mano, pra mim é muito aquele ponto. Como eu só jogo LoL, quando eu saio de casa, eu não quero, tipo, sair num bar pra falar de LoL. Quero o que eu fazia há 6 anos atrás. E a maioria das pessoas que me acompanham, quando o cara me vê na rua, ele fala, tipo, caralho, Denis, eu gosto muito de ti. Mano, me dá dica pra tal coisa no LoL. Tipo, aí já morreu qualquer chance de amizade.
De brother, né?
I understand, right? This is why people don't play your game anymore. Because of that shit. Come on. Fuck it.
So I hope you stick around and look out for epic gameplay. Before I start, I do want to talk about guayake yerba mate. It's delicious.
Whoa! I'm energized and chill AF. That's right. It's a future drink. It's not an energy drink. It's a future drink. It's all the energy of an energy drink, but none of those jittery side effects. It makes you feel good. So, make sure you check your local retailers. One moment.
Do you need some dick shots? I'll give you some fat dick. Just look at your profile pic. Looking miserable, just want to bend you over.
I am stressed.
I get caught up in the crowd on this one. Fuck. Yep, shit, I'm done. Yep. Oh my god. Oh my god, what happened? Where do we go from here? Up! Like, holy Christ. How are we still going?
Oh! No! No! Damn it! Come on! I usually am good with this one. People need to get out of my way, okay?
Guys doing? And again, I'd like to point out, if you can't talk in chat, don't panic. Or just subscribe. Or wait. It's up to you. We're gonna play some of our subscribers only today. At least until halftime. So I hope you stick around and look out for epic gameplay. Before I start, I do want to talk about guayake yerba mate. It's delicious.
About to get a dubski, that's what's up. That's what's up. About to get the dubski. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, that's scary. Oh, that's scary. Bruh! 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 Let's fucking go! Called shots! Rolled that motherfucking 20! Let's go!
No, 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 no. No. God. God damn it. Alright.
Oh, that sounds nice. I like to work on a farm. Hang out with the